Hello students of class 5, welcome to the online session of Part Bhavan. Today I am going to explain the poem Don't Give Up by Phoebe Cary. Phoebe Cary was an American poet and a champion of women's rights. In 1850, her poems were published in Poems and Paradise and Poems of Faith, Hope and Love. She was best known for the musical quality in her poems. Don't Give Up is a poem on perseverance. Perseverance means achieving something despite difficulties. The poet says that we should not feel sad if we lose, as long as we put in our best efforts, because trying and persevering will get us to our goal one day. She picks examples from nature to explain her view. She says that tiny birds fall many times while learning to fly, yet they don't give up. They keep at it until their wings are stronger and they can fly longer. Similarly, the oak tree faces many storms which try to break her, but she stands taller and stronger after each storm. Success easily achieved does not bring satisfaction, a hard-earned victory does. There are 4 stanzas in this poem. Let's start with the first stanza. If you have tried and have not won, never stop for crying. All that's good and great is done just by patient trying. The poet is saying that if you have worked hard but you have not won, you must never stop for crying. You have to tolerate everything and you have to keep on trying. Also, you have to be patient in order to succeed. Patient here means to be able to tolerate or accept anything. Moving on to the next stanza. Though young birds in flying fell, still their wings grow stronger, and the next time they can keep up a little longer. The poet here wants to say that though the 2 young birds failed to fly, they didn't give up. They kept trying again and again, and they succeeded. Now moving on to the next stanza. Though the sturdy tree has known many a wind that bowed her, she has risen again and grown loftier and prouder. Here sturdy tree means strong tree. It refers to the strong oak tree. Here poet wants to say that many winds tried to bend and break the strong oak tree, but the oak tree didn't give up. It has risen again and grown loftier and prouder. Loftier means taller. Now moving on to the last stanza. If by easy work you beat, who the more will prize you? Gaining victory from defeat, that's the test that tries you. Here beat doesn't mean hitting someone, but it means defeat. The poet tries to say that if you defeat someone and that too very easily, it is not going to be very much valuable for you. You are not going to be very much happy.